We can go down here and feed our chicken friends. Oh, Paisy tore that up. Okay. Hello, my little chicken friends. Hello. We're all here. Let's get this party started.